In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a common issue you might encounter with your trading charts, specifically when they appear frozen or are not updating as expected. Now, if you've been dealing with this frustration, sit tight because by the end of this guide, you'll have the know-how to get things back on track. First, let's take a close look at the bottom right corner of your trading platform. What you'll want to see here are the green connection bars. These bars are a visual indicator that your platform is connected and communicating effectively with the trading servers. A full set of green bars means you're in good shape, and your charts should be updating with real-time data. However, if you notice these bars are missing, that's a critical sign indicating your platform is currently not connected to the internet. Without this connection, your charts will appear frozen because they simply can't receive live data. So what do you do if you're met with this unwelcome sight of no bars? Don't worry, I've got you covered. The first step is to re-establish this connection. Begin by logging out of your trade account and logging back in. You can do this by navigating to the File menu at the top of your trading platform. Once you're there, select Log into Trade Account. This action essentially refreshes your login credentials and reattempts to connect to the server. Make sure you have the correct details ready to ensure a smooth re-login process. While you're trying to log back in, it's also a good idea to check your overall internet connection. You can do this by simply opening a web browser and seeing if you can load a web page without any issues or delays. If your internet isn't working, your charts won't update no matter what you do. Troubleshooting your network connection may involve resetting your router or reaching out to your internet service provider for assistance. Remember, a proper internet connection is the backbone of successful trading. Without it, you're essentially flying blind, unable to make the informed decisions you need based on fluctuating market data. Once you've ensured that your connection is stable and you're logged back in, check those green bars again in the bottom right corner. They should return, confirming that your charts will now update in real time as intended. By following these steps, you should find your charts are back in action, letting you trade with the confidence of up-to-the-minute information. I hope this guide has been helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to enhance your trading experience.